What is blepharitis? Everyone has some bacteria on their skin, but some people have more bacteria at the base of their eyelashes than others. This can cause dandruff-like flakes to form. Also, some people have problems with oil glands in their eyelids, leading to blepharitis. Other times, blepharitis may result from an overpopulation of microscopic mites, known as demodex, living inside the eyelash follicles. It is very important to keep your eyelids, skin, and hair clean. This will help keep your blepharitis symptoms under control. Use baby shampoo diluted in warm water to gently scrub the eyelids' eyelashes daily when you have crusting present. Blepharitis treatment. Unfortunately, there is not a cure for blepharitis, but there are a number of things you can do to help control the symptoms. Treatments include warm compresses. Wet a clean washcloth with warm water and wring it out until somewhat dry. Place the washcloth over your closed eyes for at least 1 minute. Wet the washcloth as often as needed so it stays warm. This will help loosen the flakes sticking around your eyelashes. It also helps keep nearby oil glands from clogging. There's also an electronic device that uses heat and massage to unclog the oil glands in your eyelids. The treatments are done in the office by your ophthalmologist. Antibiotics. Your ophthalmologist may have you use an antibiotic ointment on your eyes. Put a small amount of ointment on a clean fingertip or a cotton swab. Gently apply the ointment to the base of your eyelashes or place a small amount inside the space between your lower eyelid and eyeball. Do this just before bedtime or as your doctor recommends. Your doctor might also prescribe an antibiotic ointment mixed with a steroid or an antibiotic. Artificial tears or steroid eye drops may reduce redness, swelling, and dry eye. Your ophthalmologist might prescribe an antibiotic eye drop mixed with a steroid to help the oil glands work better. Another prescription eye drop prevents tear evaporation by imitating your eyelid's oil glands. Skin and eyelid hygiene. It is very important to keep your eyelids, skin, and hair clean. This keeps your blepharitis symptoms under control. Carefully wash your eyelashes every day. Soak a washcloth, cotton swab, Q-tip, or lint-free pad in baby shampoo diluted in warm water. Then use it to gently scrub the base of your eyelashes. There are also wipes and some antiseptic sprays you can use to scrub to keep bacteria from growing too much. Scrub for about 15 seconds. Also, wash your hair, scalp, and eyebrows with an antibacterial shampoo. Omega-3s, fish oil. Some people find relief from their symptoms with omega-3 fatty acids, which may help the oil glands in the eyelids work better. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines contain omega-3s, but you can also buy fish oil pills at the drugstore. Ask your doctor if they might help you.